Seniors, eat this food to rebuild muscle quickly and naturally. Feeling weaker with age isn't always just getting older. Many times it's something called sarcopenia, a silent muscle loss condition that slowly steals your strength, energy, and independence. You might notice it when simple tasks start feeling harder, like climbing stairs, getting out of a chair, or carrying groceries. But here's the good news. You can fight back, naturally. In this video, we're revealing 5 powerful foods that are proven to rebuild muscle, restore strength, and keep your body active and independent even after 50. Whether you're over 60 yourself or caring for an aging loved one, these foods can make a life-changing difference. Let's start with one that might really surprise you: chickpeas. These tiny golden legumes may look simple, but they're one of the most underrated superfoods for seniors. Chickpeas are not just great in salads or hummus, they're actually one of the best foods for rebuilding muscle naturally. Now you might be thinking, really? How can something this small make a difference? But trust me, chickpeas pack a serious punch when it comes to muscle strength. They're loaded with plant-based protein, the single most important nutrient your muscles need to grow and repair. As we age, our muscles break down faster and rebuild slower. And that's where protein steps in. Just 100 grams of chickpeas give you around 9 grams of high-quality protein, which may not seem huge. But when you add chickpeas to your meals several times a week, it becomes a total game changer. If you're trying to fight sarcopenia or rebuild lost muscle, protein should be your top priority, and chickpeas deliver it in a delicious, heart-healthy way. But that's not all. Chickpeas are also rich in magnesium, about 48 mg per 100 grams. Magnesium is the mineral your muscles rely on for proper function. It helps them contract smoothly, reduces cramps, and improves recovery. Ever get those sudden night leg cramps? Magnesium might be the missing piece, and as we age, magnesium also plays a major role in bone strength, making chickpeas even more valuable for seniors who want to stay strong and mobile. Another hidden gem inside chickpeas is leucine, an amino acid that triggers your body's natural muscle-building switch, the mTOR pathway. Leucine literally tells your muscles to grow. It's especially important after 50, when the body's natural repair process slows down. By eating leucine-rich foods like chickpeas, you help your body keep producing and maintaining muscle even as you age. So how can you actually use chickpeas in your diet? It's super easy. Try 150 grams of cooked chickpeas 3 to 4 times a week. Add them to salads, blend them into creamy hummus, toss them into stews, or even make a smooth, golden soup by blending chickpeas with vegetable broth, turmeric, and a touch of black pepper. A perfect post-meal comfort food that helps your muscles recover. You can use canned chickpeas for convenience. Just rinse them well to remove extra sodium. Or soak dried chickpeas overnight before cooking to save time. Chickpeas might not have the flashy reputation of other superfoods, but make no mistake, they're one of the simplest and most powerful ways to protect your muscles, bones, and strength as you age. By including chickpeas in your weekly meals, you're fueling your body with protein, magnesium, and leucine, a trio that helps you rebuild, repair, and stay strong naturally. So don't wait. Grab a can, cook a batch, and start feeding your strength back. You'll be amazed how something so humble can bring such powerful results. Now, let's move on to another small but mighty food that often gets overlooked: peas. Yes, those simple green peas sitting in your freezer or on your dinner plate can do far more than you think. Peas are a true powerhouse when it comes to maintaining muscle health, especially for seniors. A 100-gram serving of peas gives you around 5.4 grams of protein. Now, that might not sound massive at first, but remember, when it comes to fighting muscle loss, every gram counts. Protein helps repair tiny muscle fibers that get damaged during movement, exercise, or even daily chores. As we get older, our body's ability to rebuild muscle naturally slows down, which is why adding protein sources throughout the day is so important. Peas make it easy. They're light, versatile, and easy to digest. But here's what really makes peas special. They're rich in lysine, an essential amino acid your body can't make on its own. Lysine helps rebuild and strengthen muscle tissue, supports collagen production, and keeps your joints, skin, and connective tissues flexible and strong. As collagen levels drop with age, joints can stiffen and muscles can feel weaker. By including peas in your diet, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to rebuild that lost strength from the inside out. And just like chickpeas, peas also contain leucine, the same muscle-building amino acid that activates muscle protein synthesis. That means eating peas helps your body switch on the very process it uses to build new muscle cells. Peas are also a great natural source of iron, about 1.5 grams per 100 grams. Iron carries oxygen to your muscle cells, helping you stay energetic and preventing fatigue during exercise or everyday activities. If you often feel tired or short of breath when moving, your iron levels could be low, and peas can help naturally restore that. On top of all that, peas are high in fiber, which supports digestion and keeps you full longer, a bonus for weight management and heart health. Healthy digestion means better nutrient absorption, and that means your muscles get more of the protein and minerals they need to stay strong. So how do you add more peas to your meals? Easy. You can toss them into soups, stews, salads, or stir-fries. Or for a creative twist, blend cooked peas with a handful of almonds and a drizzle of olive oil to make a smooth, protein-rich spread for toast or veggies. It's tasty, healthy, and gives your muscles exactly what they need to stay active and firm. Peas may look small, but their power is mighty. By eating them regularly, you're fueling your body with protein, lysine, leucine, iron, and fiber. The perfect combo for strength, stamina, and longevity. Now let's talk about one of nature's most fascinating superfoods, spirulina. This blue-green algae might not look like much, but it's an absolute nutritional giant. In fact, even NASA includes spirulina in astronauts' diets to keep them strong and healthy in space. If it can fuel astronauts, imagine what it can do for your body here on Earth. Spirulina is about 70% protein by dry weight, which is more than most meats or fish. Just one small 3-gram serving provides around 2 grams of complete protein, and the key here is complete. It contains all 9 essential amino acids that your muscles need to rebuild and recover. That's why spirulina is considered one of the best natural muscle-building foods for seniors. It not only helps you preserve muscle mass, but also supports faster recovery after activity. Another huge benefit of spirulina is its antioxidant power, especially from a compound called phycocyanin. This is what gives spirulina its vibrant blue-green color and its ability to fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 of the biggest culprits behind muscle weakness and stiffness as we age. Phycocyanin helps protect your muscle cells from damage, reduce soreness, and improve recovery, so you can move freely and feel younger for longer. Spirulina is also packed with iron, nearly 50 milligallons per 3 grams, which helps transport oxygen through your blood, boosting energy, endurance, and overall vitality. If you've been feeling low on energy or tired even after rest, adding spirulina could make a noticeable difference. The taste can be strong, but there are plenty of ways to make it enjoyable. Add a spoonful to smoothies with banana, mango, or berries. The fruit helps balance the earthy flavor. You can also stir spirulina powder into a glass of water with a splash of lemon juice. That citrus not only improves taste, but also helps your body absorb the iron better. Or try mixing it into soups, stews, or energy bowls for an easy nutritional boost. Spirulina is more than just a supplement. It's a cellular rejuvenator. It helps you build muscle, fight inflammation, and stay energized, all at once. So whether you're over 50 or simply want to stay active and strong, spirulina deserves a permanent spot in your diet. Staying strong as you age doesn't have to be complicated. By adding simple, powerful foods like chickpeas, peas, and spirulina into your meals, you're giving your muscles the fuel they need to fight sarcopenia and keep you active for years to come. Try them out. Stay consistent, and you'll feel the difference in your strength, energy, and overall vitality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and share. And don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life Health for more science-backed tips on staying strong, youthful, and independent no matter your age. Thanks for watching, and remember, Your best years of strength and energy can still be ahead of you.